Hey everyone! Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you all 3 easy ways to download Pinterest videos.
Let's start with the first method. Just open Pinterest and find the video you want to download. Suppose this is the video I want to download, so I will just click on it. Then click on the share option you are seeing, and you will see a lot of options here. So click on the 3 dots and find the videos or files option, and after that an interface will open. Wait a few seconds and then click on the download option. Give all the permission it is asking, and in few seconds it will be downloaded. And then if you open your albums or photos or galleries, you can see it is downloaded here. Let's move on to the second method that I use the most. So just find the video you want to download, and suppose this is the video I want to download, so I will just click on it and click on the share option and copy the link. After the link is copied, come back to the home screen and go to Google and type download Pinterest video online. Click on it and go to the first link and just paste the link of your video and click on download, and in just few seconds it will show this interface, and click on 3 dots and click download. It will easily be downloaded to your gallery. Now I'm gonna show you my gallery where the video has been downloaded. So you can see it is here. Finally, the third and the easiest method, just scroll and find your video and click on it and pause it. Now go to your system's built-in options and click on the screen recording. Yes, we are going to screen record it. Pause it when it's done. Now go to your gallery or albums. Find the video you just saved. Click on edit, or you can use any other software like InShot. Just crop it and trim it like I am doing. You can choose the aspect ratio you want. After it's done, click on save. And our final video is here.
Hope you guys loved this video. See you in the next one.